Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Advisor. In this video I am going to tell you about PoseiSwap. In this tutorial video I will guide you through the process of swapping and adding liquidity on PoseiSwap, the decentralized exchange on Nautilus chain. Let's start with swapping. To begin, select the token you would like to swap in the swap in interface. Enter the amount of first token you would like to swap, and the exchange rate will automatically calculate the amount of the second token you will receive. Review your transaction detail on the confirmation page and then click confirmation to complete the transaction. Next, let's talk about adding liquidity. Help to improve the stability of the exchange and reward you with transaction fees. To add liquidity, select the token you would like to provide liquidity for in the liquidity interface. Approve the transaction on the approval page and then enter the amount of each token you would like to provide liquidity for. Review your transaction detail on the confirmation page and then click confirmation to complete the transaction. Once you have added liquidity, you can view your rewards on the reward page, and there you have it. Swapping and adding liquidity on PoseiSwap, it's that simple. If you have any question or need additional support, feel free to reach out to their customer support team, or you can also ask me below in the comments section. Thanks for watching this tutorial on swapping and adding liquidity on PoseiSwap. I hope you enjoy using Nautilus chain for all your decentralized finance needs. I hope you understood. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video.